Hey everyone, Crowdman here. I was sifting through the mini Black Friday deals today and made a funny observation while doing so. Having a glass of water at the same time, I was sitting back, rocking back and forth, and my stomach was making this peculiar sound, so if you could take a gander here. Now if you can hear that, that's my stomach making that sound. It's the water sloshing back and forth. I know you're gonna be like, God damn it, Crowdman, you just wasted 10 seconds of my life listening to such a thing. However, I figured it was breaking news enough to report it to everyone on the internets. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving. Bye.